How to make photo collage on Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage on Canva fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Canva like this, and then go here down below, click on this icon, and after that you will have many options right here, but you have to choose the photo collage option. If you didn't find it here, just search for it in the search bar. Click on it like this and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page. As you can see here, you will find many photo collage templates. Just click on any of these, for example this one, and then you can, just by clicking on any photo, you can replace it with a photo from your gallery by clicking here, as you can see, and you can also move it as you want. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.